Cockroaches wanna play rough. Okay, I'm reloaded. Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Hi, my name is Akeem. I'm from Zamunda, or Series B. I have everything I want and everything my heart desires. I can't even fathom how great I am, as I'm able to make anything happen. The greatest greatness. As my name Akeem means knowledgeable, wise. I know all and am all. Lately I've been becoming curious and want understanding on what pain feels like, what love for another feels like. I've devised a plan. I'm going to go to this realm called Earth, America, and see if I can find something new. A new love. I'll place myself under disguise, under ignorance, as a poor man. Just so I won't go all the way crazy, I'll take my good friend Semmi. He will remind me that I'm always the prince and not to fall into this illusion. Man, there's more people like me down here. Wow, they're playing this role really good. Let me make sure I'm fitting in so my light won't bring me too much attention. There's this one interesting being I've seen down here that looks like an off version of the others. He says he wants to be a manager. I guess he was made down here. Can't see no light. This might be all he has. Oh well. As for the others, wow, look at them. They really feel like this is real. They're getting emotional about everything. Man, when a god dreams, we can really sink ourselves in. Wait a minute. Oh my God, there she is. My queen. My other half. The love I was looking for. The new experience I was seeking. Let me go talk to her. Let me figure this experience out and see where it takes me. Wow, this feeling is new and refreshing. I am complete. I am knowing. I understand. Dream wise.